Okay, let's talk about food delivery. Is your habit secretly bleeding your wallet dry?
Yeah, that number? That was my food delivery bill for 1 month, but I found a way out.
See, these apps are designed to make you overspend. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it.
All right, hack number one is the delete method. Yep, I deleted every single food app for 30 days. Sounds crazy, right? But check this out. I saved 70% of what I was spending. That's a whole vacation.
And stick around, because the third trick, it literally paid me money back. No joke. Okay, on to hack number 2, the 20-minute rule. This one is a total game changer for impulse orders. So next time you want to order, just set a 20-minute timer and go do something else. And here's the wild part. That craving, 80% of the time, it's just gone. It vanishes. And there's actual science to this. That dopamine rush you get, it drops off after about 20 minutes. The apps know this. That fast checkout is designed to beat your brain before you can think. All right, you ready for the trick that actually pays you? Let's get into it. Okay, hack number 3. I started meal prepping on Sundays. It's only like 3 hours. That gets me about 15 meals for the week, and the cost difference is just huge. I mean, look at that. We're talking 80% less than ordering the same stuff. It's insane.
But just saving money isn't the trick. What you do with it, that's the game changer.
I moved every dollar I saved into a high-yield savings account. It literally earns interest just sitting there. Think about it. You're getting paid free money just for not hitting that checkout button. Over a year, we're talking thousands of dollars. Money you're just giving away right now. So after seeing all this, what's really stopping you from trying it?